On September 12th, Apple announced the new iPhone XS Max, which has a 26% larger display than the regular iPhone XS, but still has about a third of the display size of the iPad mini. This is the 6.5-inch display. It will only have very thin bezels, and the notch will be the exact same size as the iPhone X. This is the battery. Here it is compared to a 3D printed version of the iPhone X's battery and the iPhone 8 Plus's. It will most likely be the biggest battery ever put in an iPhone, unless the iPhone XR has a bigger battery. This is the logic board. The inclusion of dual SIM technology will likely make it slightly bigger than the logic board for the iPhone X, although not much bigger. The camera on the iPhone XS Max is slightly bigger than the one on the iPhone X due to the larger sensor. Also the speaker and the lightning port at the bottom. There are a few other parts that I don't have 3D printed, such as the Taptic engine right here, as well as an extra antenna on the top and bottom. There's also, of course, the knots at the top. There are also some parts that would be on the back of the display that would be located around here. So, thank you for watching. I will be coming out with a video about the most probable internals for the next iPhone. The next one should be more complete than this one. So, subscribe for the next one, which will most likely come out in October, and I will see you next time.